Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the indicators in the Exness chart in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on exness.com. Afterwards, you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Then you just have to simply select the option of trade on the home page and you will be landed here on this type of chart page on Exness. Now, when the chart is opened in front of you, on the top, you are going to see the indicators section. So you just have to click on it, and as soon as you click on it, you are going to see all of the popular indicators that are available. So you can just simply look for the option of indicator that you want to basically add, and after clicking on the indicator, you are going to see that the indicator will be applicable on your chart. Now if you want to basically add this particular indicator as your favorite, you can just simply mark this as star, and whenever you click on the option of indicator, all of your star marked indicators will be shown you first. So you can select that and then you can basically add them here on top of your Exness chart like so. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.